This is the Automotive Mentoring Group in Chicago. We're going to do something that we don't normally do, which is to show sort of the behind the scenes of the shop. To kind of let you know that we build drivers. We work on the cars that nobody else wants to work on. Cars like this 1966 Ford pickup truck. You can see where we sandblasted the cab and we have to weld in new floors. At the Automotive Mentoring Group, what we do is we basically, well, for the moment, I'm going to have to use some profanity. I'm going to have to use some bad language. So if you don't want to hear it, close your ears. What we do at the Automotive Mentoring Group is we train gangbangers. That's the bad word that nobody likes to talk about. We train gangbangers, gang members, ex-gang members, and wannabe gang members. Try to discourage them from gang life, and we try to train them in the art of automobile restoration. Try to lift their spirits and give them job skills so that they can go out and be productive citizens like the rest of us try to be, so that we can have a productive society and help them to be productive as well, take care of their families and grow up to be productive citizens. So in short, this is an area that we normally don't show, which is the behind the scenes, to show basically kind of projects that we work on. 1948 Chevy 3100 series half-ton pickup truck. And I have the guys here over the weekend and during the week grinding and sanding on this old beast to give them some idea of what it's like to really rough a car out or rough an old truck out. And you know, we're in the Midwest here in Chicago, so we don't get a lot of rust-free cars. In fact, most of the ones we get are full of rust. So we have to deal with that a lot, whether it be sandblasting or whether it be grinding with the grinder, the big or small. We have to deal with that. But you know, it's like a basic training for automobile restoration, because it really does teach these guys how to work with basic hand tools, grinders, power tools, pneumatic tools. Shows them what to do. So basically our goal is to try to just kind of let these guys know that this is a beautiful industry, that is a multi-billion-dollar industry. I spend 7 days a week here working with these guys, and some young women too, to just try to teach them about how good this industry can really be, what's involved, and what kind of stuff we can do. So I need as much help as I can get. For all you big, time hot rod builders that are building these $100,000 and $250,000 cars, that's not what we do. We build drivers that people can, get in and go to a cruise night and have a good time, or drive on the weekends and have some bragging rights amongst their friends. We try to build cars that are, in a person's budget, because again, we don't have customers with big budgets. So we're trying to get some partners, people that are willing to help us either with some old equipment that they might have around their shop, or perhaps maybe even an old car that they don't need or want, or in any other way, volunteers to help us out, because basically I do it all. I do the tutoring, I do the mentoring, I pick up the supplies, I teach these guys how to weld, how to sandblast, I clean the shop, I clean the toilets, I hold their hands, I talk to them about their life and everything else that's going on in it. So I could use whatever help I can get, because I'm kind of a one-man deal trying to do it all. So I appreciate you taking some time out to look at the video. Any positive comments that you might have, or perhaps you can refer the video to someone else in your network that might be able to be of some help. Because basically all we're trying to do here is we're trying to save some lives. We're trying to help some people, save some lives, and build some cars. So again, thanks so much for taking the time to even take a look, okay? May God bless you, and we appreciate any comments that you have to make. Thanks so much. Bye.